Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Trader. So today the date is 10th August and the time is 1 o'clock. I haven't got much trading opportunity today, and this week we'll not be discussing about trade setups, and in this week I may be posting only one or two videos. So today we are not going to deal about today's trade setup. Today I thought of taking some another content, such as we'll take a stock with its breakout and we'll discuss why the stock has failed. So it will help you in your future trades. So I'll take one such example of Tata Steel today. Okay, Tata Steel NSE stock. Okay, the chart is loading. Wait for a minute. Okay, now we'll take a 3 minutes chart over here. Okay, and we'll take a trade setup and discuss about that for the day. Okay, this week I'll be doing only one or two videos, and I'll be discussing if I have some good contents, I'll be posting videos about trade setups. I'll not be doing this week. So this week, so today what I meant to discuss is how to read a chart properly and how to identify a false breakout and true breakout, and what should be in our mind while taking a trade. What are the considerations we should take during a trade? Okay, so let's take Tata Steel 3 minutes chart. I have taken 7th August chart. Okay, in our course, one student uh, have posted this and asked me why this breakout failed. In this case, this was the breakout. Okay, so we are discussed in our course. So I thought today I didn't have any other content, so I thought I'll do that. We have done many trade setups, and so today I thought I'll do something different for the day. So this is Tata Steel's chart, and we have taken 3 minutes chart over here, and we are discussing about a trade which went wrong. This is 7th August chart, and this was the breakout. Okay, and suppose after breakout, if we go for a long position over here, our nearby resistance over here, so stop loss might have it over here. Okay, so now let's come to the reading of this chart. What do we see over here is we definitely get a uptrend over here. We get a good uptrend move over here, and after that what did we get is we worked on this breakout. We get a breakout over here. Okay, so this doesn't necessarily mean that we need to buy at this point. First of all, when a stock has reached this much height and when we wait for a retracement, our first aim is to look for ATR at this point. ATR. What do you mean by ATR? ATR refers to average true range of the stock. First, whenever we take a trade, when the stock has gone up and we do see a breakout, it is just an indication that we can buy, but it is not a sure indication because we need multi confirmatory trades to enter into this trade. This is just an indication. Okay, now that stock may move up, but it is not definite. So before that, at this point, what we have to look is ATR of the stock. Okay, so how do we look ATR of the stock? For that, we'll go to the charting. Okay, all might know about charting site. Okay, this is the site of charting, and we'll take data steel. Okay, and looking at its lower indicators over here, when we move down, we get a signal called average true range or ATR. Just tick on it and put the parameter on 14 and just update your chart. Okay, so over here downside we will get an average true range of the stock. So it says that average true range of Tata Steel is 13.4. So what does it mean? So let's come to the chart of Tata Steel. So when we get an up move over here, first it tells us that ATR of Tata Steel is 14. So before looking for this breakout, we should look if the ATR or the average true range of the stock has been over for the day. If that is the situation, then this will definitely be a wrong breakout if the average true range has been over. So if just before entering this, how do we read the chart is when we get an uptrend over here, look for the ATR. If the range is over, just don't blindly go over this breakout. This will be a false signal. Okay. So what after now let's discuss remaining. Here we do get an uh, breakout with a good green candle, but we only get an indication that it is towards buy, but we do not get a confirmatory indication. Let's see what happened later after that. After that, we do see over here a double top pattern over here with a breakdown with volume confirmation. So in this situation, I am just discussing about how to read a chart. Here when we get an uptrend, we first look for the ATR. Once that is over, just don't blindly go to this. This is an indication that we will go to a buy side, but another indication over here sells a double top pattern with a breakdown, which makes us think towards sell indication. So now we have got one indication towards buy side and double top towards sell side. So in this talk, what we do see is when we take an trade, we need multi confirmation towards buy side. That is 4 to 5 reasons for buy. Here what do I say is I get an signal for buy side, I get a signal for sell side. So what do we do ideally at situation in this situation is do not attempt such trades just based on this breakout. So that is the information which I am going to discuss over here. So for all friends who just work on breakouts, this is an information which I would like to provide regarding reading of chart. We should not just work on the breakout. We need multi confirmatory trades. So here we get an just an indication that it may move up, but later it shows a double top over here. Okay. So which sells which says that it is towards a sell side also. So this is a small piece of information for those people who just work on breakout. Do not work on breakout, and we do need a multi-confirmatory trade. And regarding chart reading, this is some information which we get. When we do a chart reading, go for multi signals for buy, then only do enter into a buy. Here we get a buy signal. Here we also get a sell signal on basis of double top. Okay, so that's all for the day. We have discussed about how to read a chart, how to avoid such breakouts. So, dear friends, do not work only on breakouts. Do work on multi-confirmatory trades. And if you like today's video, do like and subscribe. Okay, thank you.